Okay, let's talk about the solution to number 8. In number 8, you're told that you have 575 kilojoules, which is 575,000 joules. Remember, you have to multiply by 1,000 or move the decimal place 3 spots. And you've got water that's at 25 degrees, it's at room temperature, and you're gonna add this 575 kilojoules, and they wanna know what your ending temperature is. So this is a big frowny face because where do we end? Do we end here? Do we end here? Like, it doesn't tell you. So we have to basically take it step by step and then logically think through what we know. So let's take the first step and let's assume that we go all the way from 25 up to 100. It's a good assumption. Let's just look at it. So we're moving on a slanted part, so we're gonna use Q equals MC delta T. I'm not gonna touch my total amount because I just wanna figure out how much energy would take to take this section. So 500 times the C for liquid water, and I'm gonna go from 25 to 100, and if I multiply that, it's 157,000. So first glance, that's less than my total energy. So yes, I made it all the way up, right? I made it all the way. Everything's kosher, we're good. So I'm gonna take my total energy and I'm gonna subtract out the amount that I used for that section. And that's gonna leave me with 400,018 joules, right? That's still a lot of energy to go. So I know that I've just done this section right here, and now I'm gonna head across. When I head across, I use a different formula. I use Q equals MH. I'm going to assume that I'm gonna end way up here, so I'm gonna assume that I make it all the way across. It's just an assumption, it's the way I'm heading with it. So Q equals MH, I have 500 grams, and I have 2260 is my H when I boil my water. And if I solve that, I need 1,130,000 joules. I don't have it. I only have 418, which tells me right away, wait, I can't do this whole trip. So I won't make it all the way across. I'm only gonna make it halfway. So I won't end up here. I'm actually gonna end right here. That's my ending point because I ran out of energy. I need 1,000,000. I only have 400,000, so I can't do the whole trip. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stop here. What temperature am I at? I'm gonna work backwards. I'm at 100 degrees.